Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the start button in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Torx 20 screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new start button. The start button is located on the right side of the control panel. By pressing this button, the dishwasher cycles could be paused or restarted. The main reason why the start button would need to be replaced is if it breaks and making it very difficult to operate the dishwasher. We're going to open the door. And using a Torx 20 screwdriver, I'm going to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And I'm going to pull out the control panel. And lay it down. Now I'm going to remove this plug. I'm going to lift up on this locking tab carefully with a flat blade screwdriver and pull this plug off. I'm going to this side, and we're going to start with taking out the harness from the retainer. And this one. Pull it apart with a flat blade screwdriver and take out the harness. Then I'm going to press down this locking tab again using the same small flat blade screwdriver and remove this spark plug. And the last thing to disconnect this control panel, I'm going to press this tab on the side of the plug. I'm going to push it out. And the same thing on this side. And we're going to remove the plug. We're going to place it on the table and we'll continue with disassembling. Using that flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to open that tab on this side. And this one is opened by itself, and we're going to remove the handle. Now we need 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs to be released in order to take out the user interface control. I'm going to use the same flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to push it and lift up. Push and lift up. Continue pulling up the user interface control board. And I'm going to slide out the other side, and we can remove it and place it aside. And now we'll have an easy access to the old start button. I'm going to push it out with my finger from outside and slide it out. This is the old start button next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So there is a new start button, and it goes right into these 2 openings. I'm going to drop it in, turn it over, and make sure it's correctly installed. Now we're going to install the user interface control board. I'm going to place it this side into these channels in the control panel and put it down and press so the 4 tabs will lock. Now the door handle would be installed. We're going to place these 2 tabs into these 2 openings here. And I'm going to put it down and push it down so these 2 tabs locks. Alright, now we're going to install it onto the dishwasher. Alright, we're gonna start plugging in everything what's loose here. We're gonna plug this power plug to this user interface control board. Make sure it's locked. Then we're gonna place this harness into the retainer. Now this plug is going to be installed into the cutout. I'm gonna press it in, and the two tabs on the sides locks. Install this harness into the channel. Turn it around, and where this harness goes into the retainer. A little tricky. And this one are going to be installed in the same place. Now I'm going to switch the sides, and I'm going to plug in this brown power plug. Make sure it's locked. Now we're going to install the control panel back on. There's 6 tabs at the bottom of the control panel, and there's 6 slots on the outer door panel. They'll have to interlock. So we're going to put it down. And let's check at the bottom. Yep, it's good. And now we can secure it with the 6 screws on the top. And now we can install these 6 screws on the top to secure the control panel. They're Torx 20, and we're using a Torx 20 screwdriver. And close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.